Hey, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. I just bought this whole set. This is called Samla Box. Okay, this is actually two pieces, one the lid and also the box. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the details and also pictures from the box first. Right. Okay, so let's see the pictures. Okay. It's stackable. So that's the definition of this the length, the width and everything. So it's called Samla Box Transparent. So yeah, okay, I bought this 3 ringgit and then previous 6 ringgit if you can see. And this is the yeah, there's a few sizes. Okay, this is the smallest one. 2 wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There's a 7 variations. Okay, the one I bought is the 5-liter one, the smallest one. Okay, this is the details. You can pause and if you want to read more. Okay, all right, so let's look into the product. Okay, so the box first. This is it. Okay, the number, the product, everything, and you can see that looks. Let's look into details. The corner. Yeah, there. Of course, there's a reason why there's an edge of a design like this, so stackable, and it's probably it's good. Okay, and this is deep like this, and it comes I show you the lid. This is the number. It's only 2 ringgit. So the whole set 3 plus 2, 5 ringgit. So this set is this one. Can you read? All right. I love it. It's nice design and it's cheap. One set 5 ringgit. Alright, so if you're interested, the link will be below the video if you're interested to buy. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.